Hello everyone. How are you guys? Um it is really bad weather here since morning. So I get my goat there outside. I remove him from the farm, bring here in the house, and he is poop like a wet, no? Supposed to be the goat poop like circle, no, but he is not doing that, no. I'm worried to lose my goat. So in here, this goat is so very social, guys, because he doesn't like to eat if I'm not hanging the foods. Look what I need to do so he can eat. Wait lang, the door is so very strong wind here, guys, and very very bad weather today. It's like there is a typhoon, but it looks like there is. Even me, I'm just in my room and watching movie. Actually, I do finish 2 movies now. This is what I do to get. He's not going to enjoy if I'm not doing this, guys. He's not going to eat if I'm not going to do this one. So these leaves is the mango leaves. So I need to tie like this so she can bite it like so. This one is really need. look at him, he is waiting, and baby, I worried that he eats something not really good foods. Oh my gosh, I don't want. If my goat is sick, I don't know how to heal it. So wait lang, guys. Wait, I will show you what I'm going to do. So she is going to enjoy eating. Normal ka, di pa kapit ka. See? Hoy, there is some, hey, go away now before it's scary, no? It's scary. Maybe there is some worm or something. I give him a lot. I give her a lot yesterday, and it's fell down only to the floor, to the ground. He doesn't like to eat, so that's my idea, so that he can eat like he's the one to picking up. What do you call that? Pick up. We call that. I will get there some of the leaves there and hanging that also, so she have another dessert. Okay. wait lang I am going to get some more there. I think need to climb. Wait, that is langka, no? Ayaw masum. Ay, it's not allowed to do. Wait lang, guys. Actually, I did not yet also eat my lunch, so my goat first before me. Oh la, oh la la, la 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 la. stay looking. No? If you love your pet, you are going to find a way so that he's going to be happy. Okay? Ay, wait lang. Wait. Guys, so I need to tie again. So we can... Nabuang na ba ang ating rabbit? I did not feed my rabbit. Wait lang. Hola, hola. Wait lang, kain ka muna. Mamaya ng dessert. Oh, look at that. Oh. He's waiting for me. I mean, she is waiting for me. Ano ba tong mobile ko? It's your side, goat. Your side. Hey, puno ka na talaga ng ano dito, dahon. Don't forget to drink water, ha? After this, don't forget to drink water, ha? Just, he's going to enjoy this, guys. It is like, ano, ay! Sus naman, talaga naman. Natanggal pa. Yummy? Good, good. Did you come here? So she is enjoying his lunch, breakfast, dessert, whatever. Okay, itchy. So I hope she is going to enjoy that. Looks like it looks like she is she's enjoying it eating. Yeah. So just pretend that he is the one to get as long as hola, hola, hola. Let's go now. I am the one to cook my food first. Also, I need to eat my lunch. It's 4 o'clock now. I mean, it's almost 4 o'clock. Ooh. Where's Roman? Ooh. Thank you for coming, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Which one is yummy? Huh? The other one or the other one? Which one is yummy? Huh? Yummy, yummy. Yummy, Bukay. Bye-bye, Bukay.